Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute, like a whole minute. If you're new to this channel, welcome to the elonblu method. I'm Qamra, your hair homegirl, creative cousin, and the girl who definitely had too many wig phases to count. To my OG subscribers, I missed y'all. Life has been lifing, but the wigs still be wigging. Sometimes I just need to step back, breathe, regroup, and play in some hair. So that's what we're gonna do literally today. No tutorial, no deep dive, just me, my straight synthetic wig, and just a moment. It's been a crazy, rough ride. Starting like honestly, the last 2 years has been really crazy. But sometimes it's just funny. It's kind of funny how much peace I get from just brushing my hair, playing with my hair, playing with my wigs in all its forms. If you know, you know. This one, she's not human, but she is healing, and you gotta love that. Synthetic hair has this way of reminding you that beauty doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. You just need a little shake, a little brush, and the right vibes, you know? So this moment is literally just me in my space, doing what I do. Honestly, growing up as a kid, I would just get dressed up, do my hair, do my makeup, put on clothes, switch clothes, and just kind of be in my own space. I baffle my partner because I can literally have fun by myself, and it's just funny because I don't really need a lot of people around me, even though when I do get out and about and around company and friends, I fully submerge myself in that, but I definitely always need a good reset. While I was away, I realized how much joy this space kind of brings me. Not just the hair, but just talking about it as well, connecting with you all, laughing about good wigs, crying up over bad wigs, and just learning a little more about myself and the process I go through when trying to create anything, let alone just wigs. I love creating, and the wigs are just one way that I express myself. So this video is really me just easing back, no pressure, no perfect lace, just vibes, and you guys. I just want to also just say thank you again. Whether you've been rocking with me from the beginning or you just stumbled across this cozy little corner of YouTube, I see you, I feel you, and I'm back. But also, before we get into that, I want to say that I really enjoy this wig. It's synthetic. It's completely synthetic. It is synthetic, but it worked, and it wasn't expensive. It was something that you just buy the track and the lace center, and it did exactly what it needed to do. It's long. I think it was I want to say maybe 38 inches or 30 something inches. Don't quote me on that. And it came straight, and I just gave it a little bit of a curl. And the good thing is the curl doesn't really drop because it is synthetic. And in order to put the curls in it, I just used a flat iron that was on low heat. I believe it had to be under 300 degrees, but I can't remember exactly what level it was on. But it's super, something lower than 300 I think is fine. But yeah, it gave me a little bump, and it looks super real. It looks pretty natural for a synthetic under $30 kind of wig that I created. So yeah. Well, thank you all for watching. I am so excited to be back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, please press that like button, as well as share this video with your friends, your family, your cousin, your auntie, your uncles, all the folks. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time, and thanks.